Welcome everyone. You know that your product and services are awesome, but your content does not land where it should land. Your ads aren't converting. Your DMs are totally dry. Yes, who's facing all these problems? Yes. So, we came with a solution for all these things where we need to find it out that the challenges what we are facing. The small business owners which are facing the struggle, they're not reaching to the right audience despite they're giving so many offers. Understanding your audience needs and preferences is crucial for effective engagement. In today's competitive market, we need to step up. We need to think something different. How is it we are going to come up? Here, I'm going to make clarify your transformation into sets of questions. How to attract a perfect audience? Is it? Reflect on the following questions. What problems do you want them to solve? What is the best services what you're going to give them? Who is it truly benefit for all these offerings? These are the perfect that need to attract a perfect audience. I've clarified when we sit and solve this problem, we get a perfect solution. So, what is the how is it that we are going to help it out? First, who is your ideal audience? What they are caring for? Where they spend time? When they're mostly ready to buy the products? And last, how is that actually connects with them? We need to sit, figure it out. Now, you don't have that much time that you write each and everything. We have so many AI tools. You must be saying ChatGPT. You've heard of it. No, we're not going to use ChatGPT. We have other AI tool that will work on. Hope so you have heard about Gemini. Yes. Gemini is a tool what will give a which we are going to use it. AI, this significant tool which will enhance or will understand and give all the details, analyze us in a proper way. ChatGPT, yes, ChatGPT also we can use it, but you if you have seen, it will give the same answer with different types of vocab. Try using this Gemini. It's a free tool. No, it's not a paid one. It's a free tool. You can use it and see the difference. You will get it as you use it. So the previous question, what we had, these four questions, we need to ask, just copy it and just ask it in the Gemini. It will give you all the solution. When, who, what, where, and how. Okay. After this, we need to after using this you get like yes, this is the prompt which I'll share with you. This is like your business. You can just give the business name, what is it about, and what transformation am I really offering, and how I can explain it in a simple relatable language. Okay, just give it over there, and you will get it a proper solution for that. Take the solution, just keep it in one file. Okay, this is one way that we'll get a proper understanding of what it is. Second, we have a research of audience. Now, how we'll research, like, what are the topics what we are related to? Like, what are the problems they're facing? What is it that we need to solve them? For example, if it is like, I wish there was a solution, instead of saying, I wish there was a solution for dash, dash, dash. So, what is it? You just need to give over there. He will give you proper solution. Just write those things over there down. Yes, no problem. Now, research on audience. How we are going to research on our audience? There are so many audience which will come in a group, in a community, in your social media accounts. But how is it that they're going to reflect it? How we are going to find it out, the perfect one which is going to be helping out? You have heard about Reddit. You have heard about Quora. Quora, there's some set of questions which we need to figure it out, which we get it on the top. If you are asking about some particular product, you have a certain questions over there. Try that question, solve it. Or you can just take those questions, that is the questions what they are seeing for the solution. You can get those. Else we have the third option as Facebook groups. You can participate in the groups, enroll. You can just log into your Facebook and just go to the group. You have Facebook group where they will ask for the questions and you can give the solutions over there. In this way, we can have a research of all the audience in all the social media apps. Yes, you can use it. Building your audience profile. How is it that your audience are you going to profile? You're going to build it. You can need to define your audience by using your AI tools. There's so many types of tools. You can create a free template also that is easily available. You can take a feedback that you can use it and analyze it at the end of the day. Now I'll just provide you this prompt. Who are this, like these are the questions we need to ask it to build a proper audience. Who are these three top people? What they are looking for? What they are care? What is their motive? And what kind of content, like, they will like it? So all these four questions you can just take it, ask it to Gemini. You get a proper solution for that. Yes, you get a proper solution for that, and you just take all this data and just keep it in. Take a doc file, please. Whatever we are prompt we are giving it, you need to take those answers, and at the end of the day, at end of the sheet, we get a proper solution. We get a proper analysis of all these things. Now, identify our audience. How are you going to identify? Now, there's plenty of audience which you have it, but they are not going to buy. Who are the real paying people, customers who wants a solution? They are going to come to you and they are fine. They're not like, suppose there are 100. It's not all 100 will come up. From there, only 5 or 10 will come. So you need to see where they are, from where, what timing they are, what is the active platform they are using it, what they're buying it, what they're like engaging it every day. We need to check it out. Now we don't have time to sit each one and have it. So there, this social media, Insta, YouTube, and LinkedIn, we need to check it, what they're using it, which are the customers who are going and using it, which platforms, what is that going on their life, where in the world they live, which cities the people are communicating from. You need to just take this prompt and ask in Gemini. He will give a proper analysis of all these things. These are the terms. You can just take it prompt which I'm sharing with you. Just ask in Gemini and you'll get all the proper analysis of it. Okay. Now you can just change your way, the way you speak to your audience. Now, how is that going to be? For example, if we take, instead of using grow your business, you can just say get more leads without burnout. You need to use these different terms. Like, instead of just using the same vocab every time, you need to change the way you are approaching the people, the customers. You need to rewrite your bio in string, or the practice rewriting it in your Instagram bio. Is it maybe between 15 days or maybe a monthly? You just try to understand how to pitch them, how to you can take the help of Gemini and ask that, based on this audience, give me the headline or the video hook or the bio that will sound naturally to them. All these things you can just take this prompt and ask in AI, that will help you out to get a proper solution for your problem. Yes, this is the way you can just summarize everything. Audience research, audience profile, to attract all those things, what we need to do. All this prompt, what we got the solution, we need to take, just summarize in a spreadsheet. You can create a Google document, summarize everything. Just whenever you, if you're writing a post on LinkedIn or any social media, you need to just take this, analyze all the data, and accordingly you can just post it. Now that's one question can change everything. What is that? You can just ask, what is that real audience? What is that ideal audience that they will stop and listen to your post? What is it that you need to ask? And the solution will be given by Gemini itself. If you think so, all these things, whatever we have summarized between this 5-10 minutes, is helpful for you. Is it going to help you out for your solution? Is your problem going to solve? Just let me know. How is it going to help you out? I'll be happy to share more details accordingly. Thank you for watching. And if you like it, let me know more if you're interested I can make more videos on that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next week. Thank you.